What's up, guys? Now it's time to create a Jarvis model that works completely free. Well, I would really like to do that, but we cannot do this because we are using API key. But we can do this in a smart way. So in this Jarvis model, we are going to integrate OpenRouter into Gemini, so we don't have to hit this request limit too often. So let me quickly show you how we can do that. First, like I said, we always used this Gemini models, but now we are gonna make a difference. Well, in this memory part, wait a second, in this memory section, we used Gemini. In this action files, we used Gemini, and in the other files, we used Gemini as well. But in this model, we are gonna only use this Gemini for complicated tasks. All right, so we are gonna use OpenRouter and we are gonna use Gemini together. So you can see that in the screen processor, we gotta use Gemini because Gemini's processor about screen, about camera is much better than OpenRouter, models. So we are going to use Gemini, something like these files, like screen processor, like developer agent, like code helper, like command prompt control. But in memory section, in memory manager.py file, we don't have to use Gemini. We can use this OpenRouter models. You can see that in this section, we are using this OpenRouter models and it's completely free. So let's say we have only 20 limits per model. 20 limits, 20 limits, 20 limits, 20 limits. So you can use this Jarvis as much as you want, actually. So with this Jarvis model, you don't have to think about this usage. You don't have to worry about, did I hit the limit? Will I hit the limit? So this OpenRouter integrated Jarvis is so much better. So let me show you how we can do this. Let me show you how we can run this program. So first of all, go to main.py, click F5, and then paste your Gemini API key in this place. Wait a second, let me take my API key. Google AI Studio, go to Google AI Studio, and then create your API key. And after created your API key, take your API key from this, copy that, and then go to Gemini blank, paste it, and then go to OpenRouter website, and then open this website, and then get API key, just create, and just do what I do. So chatbot credit limit. Actually, this credit limit is not important, but make sure that you did not enter your, I don't know, bank informations, your card informations in this OpenRouter, because otherwise it's gonna raise the limit. So reset limit every, let's say, monthly, no expiration in 1 month. So copy your API key and then go to this thing again and then initialize the system. Let's test it. Hey Jarvis, what's up? How are you doing?
I'm functioning normally. Fatih, how can I assist you today?
You can see that this model did not use OpenRouter for now, but if we say that, hey Jarvis, don't forget that my name is not Fatih, my name is James, and I'm living in America, and my wish is to become a really good engineer, and also I have a project named WebShooter. I am working on it, so that's it.
Thank you for clarifying, James. I have updated my records. Is there anything I can help you with regarding your engineer goals or the WebShooter project?
Probably I deleted this part, but in memory section we are using this OpenRouter models. So you can see that this is working really cool. So if we close it and if we open this again. Hey Jarvis, do you remember what we spoke about?
Yes, James, I remember we discussed your goals as an engineer and your web shooter project.
And Jarvis, do you have any, I don't know, suggestion to improve this web shooter?
Improving a web shooter could involve various factors such as mechanism design, material choice, or power source. I can help brainstorm by defining a detailed goal. I've started an agent task to develop improvement suggestions for your web shooter project.
So you can see that it's working perfecto. It's using OpenRouter again. So in the web. So you can just do that. You can just do this. So Jarvis, what you found in the web, what is your suggestion?
Based on the research, suggestions for improvement could include miniaturizing the firing mechanism for better concealment, utilizing high-strength materials like carbon fiber for durability and weight reduction, and integrating compact, high-density power sources such as lithium polymer batteries.
What can I say? What can I say? This is perfect. So I don't know, you saw that it's really working really cool with OpenRouter, and imagine this, you're not hitting the limit by using this perfection. So I don't know, like I said, for complicated tasks we are using Gemini. For chat, for complicated tasks we are using Gemini, and for memory and for a little bit advanced tasks we are using OpenRouter. And when these two things integrate each other, we can use this perfection with highly usage. So like I said, with this method, with this Jarvis model, you will not be able to hit the request limit, because probably you will be something, I don't know, something 200 requests per day. But if you call this common prompt control every time, then you are gonna hit this Gemini limit. So make sure that you are using this Jarvis properly. So do not waste your requests. By the way, I should tell you this. We are using OpenRouter models, and most of the OpenRouter models are free, but do not give your important informations to this Jarvis model, because we are not made a local model. So for now, do not give your private informations to Jarvis, because we are using API key. We are not using a local model. So in the next videos, in the next course videos, I am thinking to create Jarvis using local large language model. So with that, you are not gonna think about this price things with this usage requests and other things like that. You're not gonna think these things at all. So make sure that you are not giving your important information to this Jarvis for now. So like I said, actually this is a really good feature. I like that Jarvis. Do not, like I said, I'm saying that again, do not give your private informations to Jarvis. Just open apps, close apps, do this research, tell me this, change the desktop background, I don't know, write this thing, open this video, and other stuff like that. So don't tell my bank password is 000. No, don't do this. Don't do this. This is prohibited. So, so all the things that I got to say was that. So see you in the next video. In the next video, we are gonna tell you that how you can turn this Jarvis model into something better. That's something that when you open your computer, it will automatically open itself. See you in the next video. Make sure that you are following every step that I did in the video. See you in the next video. If you have any problems, you can text me. I would like to help you.